Hi everybody, Dustin from Beset Motors in Carrington, North Dakota. Another Did You Know video. Today I'm going to show you the heads-up display option we have available on some vehicles. It is located right over here and it says HUD. That'll show your miles per gallon up on your windshield. If you can see that 0 right there. You can also move it up and down by hitting the HUD button. You either lift it up to move it up on your windshield or down to move it down. So I'm gonna move it down, so then it moves down, move it up to about right there. You can also change, there's an info button. You can put different info up there. You can have just miles per gallon. You can have tells you which direction you're going to, RPMs, or blank. You can also lighten and darken it with this one. Up is lighten, down is darken. Get it on the screen here. I'm gonna darken it. And it's getting darker. I'll lighten it back up so it stops blinking. Once again, this is Dustin from Beset Motors in Carrington, North Dakota, where our customers send their friends.